doing the lip shade Legendary Queen by Charlotte Tilbury. The lovely lady who requested it was KiKaymhai. I ordered it on charlottetilbury.com. It took around 5 to 6 days to get to me, which isn't terrible. And it came in this box. Look how gorgeous this is. Look at that. Your invoice breakdown comes in this really pretty envelope. We are opening it for the first time. Look inside, even the box. It's really beautiful. So it comes in a lot of tissue paper, which is actually nice. It comes in a sticker with her initials. And then it comes in one of these little baggies protecting it. I love that type of care within packaging. If you're going to spend a certain amount of money, I want to see my funds go towards packaging. It's just tissue paper and a sticker, but it makes all the difference. We are going to try this for the first time, and this is Legendary Queen, and this is in the Matte Revolution formula. So, per usual, read in the back. A cashmere cream texture with a soft matte finish, enriched with papaya and orchid. Lips appear fuller and wider and lit from within, thanks to 3D glowing pigments. Luminous, modern matte, long-lasting lipstick. All right, and it's about 3.5 grams. Look at that. Just the light, so beautiful. This is Legendary Queen, and I'm trying this for the lovely KiKaymhai. Hello! And the angular tip mimics a lipstick brush, and I have to say, it is always easy to put it on with this particular tip, especially on the curves of your lips. All right. Oh, this is pretty. Oh. Okay. I have no idea where this crown came from. I guess it came from the lipstick. I'm going with it. If you put this lipstick on, a crown from nowhere will all of a sudden be on your head. So this is some good stuff. I know the description said it's a neutral red with a wine undertone. I see cherry. I do see the wine, and it is a neutral hue. It's beautiful. In the description, it did say that it brightens up your skin. I have to say, at first when I read it, I was like, does it? Hands down, it absolutely does. I see a little bit of orange in there, like an orange red. Absolutely beautiful. This is some good lipstick. Go KiKaymhai. You have a good eye. It's pretty good. Feeling it. But whatever magical creature put this on my head obviously didn't pin it right, so. How do beauty queens do this? So let's check it out in indoor lighting and see how it looks. This is what it looks like in indoor lighting. And that cherry red is gorgeous, and it's totally skin brightening. That's Giz down there. It brings the white out of your teeth. Awesome. And brings out the green out of my eyes. And it does brighten up your skin. So that's not BS when it comes down to who's ever writing up these sales pitches. You can see there's Walk of Shame, and then I did Legendary Queen. You know, first glance, I thought they were very similar. They are, but there's more burgundy Bordeaux wine in Legendary Queen with cherry. Walk of Shame, which is more like a brick kind of rust red. There's Giz. Hey, buddy. Okay, guys, so now let's go outside and see what it looks like in outdoor lighting. And yes, I will be sporting this crown, and I hope I do run into anybody I know. And the wind is gonna win. So here is Legendary Queen outside on a very San Francisco windy day. Hey guys, so I not only did a swatch for Legendary Queen, I did one for Walk of Shame, just in case somebody wanted to see how close they were in color, but not identical. And what's great about this color is it looks good any age range, any skin color, because this is a great universal red. I'm gonna keep this on to see how it works throughout the day. So we'll definitely do a check-in, but I wanted to thank my girl KiKaymhai. Thank you so much for the request, because this, I think it's a beautiful hue. Let me know what you guys think of this hue, and if you have any favorite reds, what types of reds, like orange, blue reds, cherry reds, what are your favorite types of reds? So I can't promise that when you try this lipstick on that a crown will appear, but it just might, you never know. Life is strange. I noticed when wearing Legendary Queen throughout the day that my lips felt a little drier than the other hues I have in the Matte Revolution formulation. I would say the best advice would be hydrate, drink water so your lips aren't as dry, exfoliate with a sugar scrub, and don't forget, before bed and throughout the day, always have a trusty lip balm on your palette, and you can always mix it even with this particular lipstick. Thanks so much for your time, guys. You guys, this has been a blast. This has been really fun to try and fight with the wind in this damn crown. So I've had a really good time. You guys can find me on Twitter as well as Instagram at 555 and my website at 555.me. If you have any questions, leave them down below.